GitToSkill is a website that allows you to turn any GitHub profile into a skill. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and in this case, I'm actually going to go with Kapathy, and I'm going to generate a skill essentially based off his GitHub profile. I'm not exactly sure how it's going to do this or what that entails, but let's take a look. So Kapathy's coding skill, so this is a skill we can use when the task would benefit from mimicking his repo choices, coding style, and implementation techniques. Well, he tends to build to a small self-contained machine learning repos with one clear job: train, fine-tune, evaluate, or serve a model. Cool stuff. So coding patterns to mirror, prefer flat readable structure over deep abstractions. Core logic should be able to locate in one file, keep the main path obvious. Okay, cool. And then we've got product and UI taste, tech stack, clues. Nice. What to inspect, when to inspect repos first. Okay, great stuff. And then we have a repo map and a how to use this skill section. Cool. I think this is a nice, simple sort of site that basically gives you an insight into how, some really prolific and interesting people in the AI space are essentially coding, and could be a good way to productize that into a skill. I always say to my clients, one of the major things AI allows us to do nowadays is essentially to compress judgment into some text, really, so that it can be used in a much more modular fashion.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
So yeah, definitely check this out if you think it will be useful for you. You can easily download it as an MD file just by clicking this button over here.